Hello, my name is David Rice, and I will be demonstrating for you how to use Canon's imagePROGRAF Firmware Update Tool version 3.40. We'll be upgrading the firmware on the imagePROGRAF 8300 to firmware version 1.26, which also includes the media information file version 8. This will all be done on a Windows 7 64-bit machine. Let's get started using the Canon imagePROGRAF Firmware Update Tool software. If you want to find where to activate the application, go to Start, All Programs, go to the imagePROGRAF Update Tool folder, and you'll find the application within that folder. Simply click on that and it'll go ahead and get started. I've got the application up and running before us. If you take a look here, it's already found the printer. In the event that it didn't find the printer, you have a couple ways to actually look for it. You can do a quick auto refresh search for it, or you can actually go in and specify a range by simply putting in an IP address, as you can see right here if you know what printer you're looking for. We've got the applications up and running, so let's go ahead and hit activate, start the update. Ready to update and proceed. Click yes. Now it starts transferring the firmware. Please wait for a moment. You can actually see here in your status that's actually updating. The update is finished. Now let's take a quick look at the control panel. You'll notice that it's actually receiving the firmware. After it receives the firmware, it starts programming. Once the program is complete, it'll actually shut down the printer and reboot itself. Coming up, you'll notice that version 1.26 now shows up at the startup of the control panel. It'll actually reset itself and it'll be back up and running. Within the software, if you want to verify that the update has been done, simply click refresh. It'll start searching for the target printer again. It'll show that the current version now is version 1.26, and your update was also version 1.26. So remotely, without having to go to the printer, you can verify within the imagePROGRAF Firmware Update Tool that your firmware update is complete. I hope this video will make it easy for you to upgrade the firmware on your imagePROGRAF printer. Thank you for your time.